Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit a comment on the Reddit application on your iPhones. Very, very easy to do. All you have to do is go to your Reddit application, open that up. Once you're on the Reddit application, you want to go to the top left corner where your profile picture is. Click on that, and then just click on My Profile. Once you're on My Profile, you'll see a little tab that says Comments. You want to go ahead and click on that, and this is just going to show you all the comments that you have made on people's posts on Reddit. So you just want to find the one that you want to edit, and just click on that one. And then it will bring you back to the post, and you'll see there's a little thing here saying edit right on your post. You can go ahead and click on that, and then you can make any changes that you're looking to make. Once you're done making the changes you would like to make, just click on the save button at the bottom right here, and then once it's saved, you'll be good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to edit your comments on Reddit. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.